Introduction. Arrays are common and useful data structures in JavaScript. ForEach method in JavaScript provides a way to perform operations on each element in an array. Understanding the forEach method. The forEach method executes a function on each item in an array in order. Example, let numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, numbers.forEach function number console.log number. In this example, each number in the array is printed out. Advantages of using forEach provides a cleaner, more readable way to iterate over an array than traditional for loops. Automatically manages the loop counter, reducing potential for errors. Does not mutate the original array. Limitations of forEach cannot be used with break or continue statements to control the loop's execution. Does not return a value. Other array methods such as map or reduce are needed to transform the array and produce a new array. Tips and tricks. Ensure forEach is used on arrays only, as it will not work on other types of objects. Remember, the function passed to forEach is executed for each item in the array, potentially resulting in unexpected side effects. Example, let total equals 0, let numbers equals 1, 2, 4, 5. Numbers forEach function number, total plus equals number, hence 15. Conclusion. ForEach method in JavaScript is a powerful tool for iterating over arrays. It is cleaner and more readable than traditional for loops, but it has limitations. Understanding how it works and being aware of common error-prone cases can help use the method effectively and avoid pitfalls.